Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a makeup look for you all using the Cranberry eyeshadow from my Fall Essentials video. And yeah, I kind of just put together this makeup look. Let's get started. Alright, starting off, I'm using the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in the color Natural, and I am buffing that in with a Real Techniques sponge. Next for concealer, I'm using the Bobbi Corrector in the shade Light Bisque, and I'm just patting that into my skin with my fingers and putting it under my eyes and on my lids. To set everything, I'm using the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just putting that all over my face with a large fluffy brush. And then under my eyes with a smaller brush. For bronzer, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm putting that on my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline, and my neck. I'm just kind of putting it all over to get that bronzed skin because I'm pale. For blush, I'm using the Benefit Dandelion blush, and it's just a nice light pink color. I don't want something too in your face to take away from the eyeshadow. And for my highlight, I'm using the Balm's Mary Luminizer. This is just the perfect like pearl champagne color, and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Starting off with the eyes, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer and the Hoola Light bronzer. I'm just putting that all over my lids and kind of in my crease just as a good base color. And then I'm taking the MAC Cranberry eyeshadow, which is a cranberry color, and I'm taking that on a synthetic flat brush, and I'm putting that on my eyelid and just a little bit higher but not into the crease. And I'm just going to pat that all over the lid. And then I'm going to take a fluffier brush and kind of buff out the edges. And then with an even fluffier brush with nothing on it, I am just, again, buffing out the edges because you want this look to be very like blown out and you don't want any harsh lines. For eyeliner, I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes eyeliner in the color Black, and I'm using that to tightline and on my waterline. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Line Stiletto liquid eyeliner, and I'm just putting the thin line on my lid. I kind of start from the middle and then work my way in, and then turn the brush around, start from the outside, and then work my way to the middle. And I don't want to do a wing or anything, just a basic line. For mascara, I'm taking the Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara in the shade Black. I put a few coats on just because I did want some big lashes for this look. And then for brows, of course, I use the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade Light. I love this stuff. It's just so easy and works really well. For my inner corner highlight, I used MAC Shroom eyeshadow, and I just put that in the inner corners as well as the brow bone. For lips, I took the Milani Nude lip liner and I just lined my bottom and top lip. And then for lipstick, I took the Revlon Rose Velvet lipstick. It was a little darker than what I wanted, but it still worked with the look. Alright guys, that's it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like that button down below and subscribe for more. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!